Activating SSL certificate on a domain in Hostinger is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Hostinger login. Once you've accessed the official website, log into your Hostinger H panel. Navigate to the Websites tab and select the domain where you wish to activate the SSL certificate. Click on Manage in the Security section or by using the search function. You'll find the SSL settings. It's worth noting that during the initial hosting setup, you might have had the option to activate an SSL certificate. If you didn't do so at that time, you can install it here. Hostinger offers a free lifetime SSL certificate with all hosting plans. You can initiate the installation from this interface. If you prefer to install from another SSL provider, you can import the SSL code into the provided boxes and click the Install button. For this demonstration, I'll be installing directly from Hostinger. The SSL installation process is now underway. Please be patient, as it may take up to an hour to complete. To confirm, you can refresh the page. Once done, you'll see that the SSL certificate is active for your domain. Importantly, this certificate is valid for a lifetime and will never expire. Should you ever need to uninstall the SSL certificate or unforce HTTPS, you can locate these options by clicking on the three dots next to your domain. This concludes the process of activating an SSL certificate on your domain within Hostinger.